boy, it's so much better. Yeah, I gotta find some snakes. Snakes for snakes. That's my job. Find snakes. Kill snakes.
I'm gonna go pee on something. Okay?
Buzz off, Leo. It's such a pain in the butt.
Hey, buddy. Hi, Uncle Romeo. What's up, buddy? Are we done with the rain? You done? You wanna go in, or? It don't matter to me, Bob. What about you, sis? What are you thinking?
I'm thinking about I'm doing business. Let me do what I'm doing.
Wow, somebody's in the mood.
Yeah, it's hunting time.
What's up, buddy? What are you doing? Nothing. Oh, sorry. I got distracted. I'm severely ADHD. On guard. Alright, guys, come on. Come on, monkey. This is more than enough. Let's get... You're not done? Alright, well, I'm gonna put the phone down anyway.